Let's look at one of Redis's most powerful types, the sorted set. It's the key to fast leaderboards, priority queues, and ranked data. A sorted set holds unique members, and each member carries a numeric score. Redis keeps the members ordered by that score at all times, so reading the top entries or a score range is fast. It's the obvious choice for leaderboards. Under the hood, a sorted set is two structures working together. A skiplist keeps members in score order, with express lanes on top that let Redis skip ahead instead of scanning every node, giving order log n search. Alongside it, a hash maps each member straight to its score, so updates are instant. That pairing is why both ranking and lookups stay fast. Here we add 3 players with scores. Z increment by then adds 60 to Ada's score, atomically taking her to 140. Z rev range reads the top 3 highest scores, and Ada is now first. No sorting in our code. Redis kept the order. So when you review a leaderboard change, this is the tell. If scores are pushed into a list and sorted in application code, that's a red flag. It's slow and racy. A sorted set with ZADD and Z increment by keeps order for you, stays order log n, and updates atomically. To recap, a sorted set is a skip list for order, plus a hash for lookups, ranking stays order log n, and when you review code, scores belong in a sorted set, not a hand-sorted list.